Hello, ma'am, sir. Good morning. I am Maricar Colon, 46 years old, and I am married for 15 years. I have 5 children. There are 2 boys and 3 girls. My eldest is a boy, 24 years old. My second is girl, 23 years old. And third is girl, 22 years old. Fourth is a boy, 17 years old. And fifth girl is 9 years old. I have work experience in UAE for 3 years and in Singapore for 2 years. I love taking care of children. I love children. My main duties are cleaning, washing clothes, marketing, cooking, and I love to work alone. To my future employer, please hire me because I am polite, God-fearing, hardworking. I hope you choose me as your husband. I will promise that I will do my best to work in your family and to love your children. I will maintain your house clean and neat. Thank you and God bless.